Dr. Bolton. I've been doing hair transplants for the past 28 years. It's all I do. It's all I've ever done. My patients range from the everyday working man to the rock star or the politician, and they all have the same thing in common. They're miserable. They lost their hair. And when I'm able to restore their hair, it gives them their self-confidence back, changes the way they see themselves. It makes me love what I do for that reason. We're the world's greatest because I have a unique ability that nobody else in the world can do. I've been doing this now for 28 years, 10,000 plus cases. That's what makes us the world's greatest.